Today is 15 December 2018 and today is a very special child's day. Today my son is day because today my dear son Rahil was born. Today I want to say something my dear son Rahil. I know you are listening to me because you live in now in my heart. My son, I can never forget for 2 days. The first day when you are born, 15 December 1995, and I was very happy to see you. And I feel so blessed and so happiness. Then I said, happy birthday to my child. Because your face was very shining and smiley face. I can never forget your face. You always give me smile, my child. You are smart since the beginning. You learn everything quickly. Allah created you very special child. You are a very good son, respectful parents. Very loving, caring brother. Very good friend. Very good, excellent student. Very respectful teacher and all of people. Very good worker. Always helping everyone. That's why everyone miss you so lot. And the second day, March 6, 2016, when you left the day, my son, I was not there with you, but Allah was with you over there. And Allah saw everything, and Allah knows everything, my son. What they did with you, Allah will punish those people, inshallah. Yes, my child, you will see one day. Because Allah is the supreme judge. And Allah sees this mother is pain, this mother is condition. Every day, every moment, Allah sees this mother is pain. So don't worry, my child. I believe Allah. Because Allah more than love mother. But You are very special. This is why Allah called you my son. Because Allah wanted to keep you in heaven. And heaven is very beautiful place. Where is you right now? Yes, my child. And one day I will come to you when my time comes. Yes, my child. But till then you will be in my heart. And you are always alive in my heart, my child. And I always feel you with me. You are always with me, my child. And thank you so much for being a good son. Thank you so much for being a good son. Yes, my child. You are excellent son, good son. I am so proud of you, my child. I am very lucky. I am your mother. I am very lucky. I am your mother. And I thank Allah that He made me your mother. Yes. Thank Allah. He made me your mother. Thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We all love you so much. We all miss you so much, my child. You always with us. We all sending you love and blessing, my child. Allah give you more higher darja and Allah bless you in heaven. Love you so much. Love your mom, Azala Siddiqui.